Bonjour, Miss. Hello, friends. It's Jen here, your LCAP travel agent. How are you enjoying your new virtual traveling tours? I must share with you, I've been having a blast traveling with you to these beautiful locations. It has been really fun and exciting for me to take you on all these trips and to be able to share in your experience. Are you having as much fun as I am? I sure hope so. This month's destination is truly one of my favorites. In honor of Valentine's Day, we're taking you to where love is seen throughout the streets in fashion, food, art, and more. Paris. Have you ever wanted to see the Louvre in Paris? Here's your chance. Okay, let's not get ahead of ourselves. I know we're excited to get to Paris, but are you ready? Do you know what to pack? What language you need to know? Where the best places are to eat? You know, I hear the food there is amazing. Let's get started with the basics. Where is Paris located? Paris is the capital city of France. It is situated on the River Seine, north of France, at the heart of the Île-de-France region. Paris has an estimated population of 2,153,600 within city limits. Language, French. Do you know how to tell someone your name in French? Use the basic je m'appelle at the beginning of your name. For example, je m'appelle Jennifer. Food, French cuisine is what you'll find in the streets. Maybe you'd like to start your day with some delicious coffee or espresso, but at lunch you must try some French onion soup paired with a French baguette. As you know, as I'm traveling, I like to come up with fun facts about our destination. This is today's facts on France. The croissant was actually invented in Austria. France might have been the spiritual home of the croissant, but the pastry actually began its days in Austria. Kipfler, ancestor of the croissant, born in coffee shops of Vienna in the 13th century, was the original croissant-shaped morning sweet. Made as denser and less flaky dough, the Kipfler later crossed the border to France and became the famous croissant. The Louvre in Paris is the most visited art museum in the world. In 2019, a record 10.2 million people visited the Paris Louvre Museum. For many people, the thought of even staying in the same room with a dead body is pure torture. But did you know in Paris you're legally allowed to marry a dead person? Truly, whoever said love never dies was not wrong. Also, the longest confirmed human lifespan on record belongs to a French woman, Jeanne Calment, who lived for 122 years and 164 days. Clement was born on February the 21st, 1875, and died on August 4th, 1997. Interesting enough, she outlived both her daughter, grandson by several decades. The French love polite people. This is the reason why a coffee shop in France sells cheap coffee to those customers who greet them with a simple bonjour before ordering their favorite coffee. Guess this gives truth to the saying, kindness pays, rudeness never. Did you find those facts interesting? I know I certainly did. Now, are you ready to hear about this month's activities? Here is a sneak peek of your itinerary for your virtual trip, the Louvre. The link will be provided to you on Tuesday, February the 16th at 10 o'clock. Just a reminder, once the link is posted, you're free to enjoy the museum at your leisure. Cook with us with a French flair. Alexandra will be joining us later this month to teach you how to cook yet another one of our delicious Meals on Wheels specials, French onion soup. You'll be joining me back here on Tuesday, February the 23rd for a Zoom wine tasting. Please make sure that you RSVP by February the 16th. Details will be explained upon reservations. Well, that's it for now, friends. I really hope you enjoyed today's Taste of Paris as much as I did. See you next month as we travel by the seat of our pants to Germany. For now, au revoir.